Alright guys, since it's Christmas, I thought it'd be fitting for me to at least unbox one thing. And since this just came in yesterday on Christmas Eve, I thought it'd be fun to check out and see what's inside. So first of all, it's a box within a box. And I'm really hoping that it's what I'm thinking it is, which I have been waiting for a really long time. Matter of fact, most other things that I bought have already arrived, and this is still taking a while, so I guess we have to continue this in the next video. Wow, they really over-packaged this thing, because hopefully then it's not broken, which would be a good thing. Alright, so looks like it is what I thought it was going to be, which is the missing part for my 3D printer. And there you have it. It has a dual cooling fan and the extruder all connected in one piece. And I am very hopeful that it will do its job. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.